what's going on guys? Bilal Saeed here, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are in Lebanon, Beirut, and we are here on a charity trip just to create some content for charities that we're working with. And yeah, we're just going to be going out on site, creating content for the charity. And we've got ourselves Anthony.
Hey, what's going on? From Detroit, Michigan.
Detroit, Michigan.
My new boy Bilal.
Yes, sir.
Here in beautiful Lebanon. It's raining today.
It's raining a lot today.
We're gonna make it a good day.
We're gonna make it a good day. We're gonna keep you guys posted. We're not gonna show too much just because we have to work.
Yeah.
But we'll fill you guys in on what we do. Sahil, you wanna be in the video?
Oh yeah.
You wanna be in the video?
Be.
This is Sahil, one of the partners as well.
Hi, Salam. How are you? Mahmoud Faour, Palestinian refugee from Lebanon.
Yes.
Live in Lebanon. I'm 36 years old.
What are we doing today?
Today we will go now to Saida. We have home visits for orphans, 3 orphans. We will visit them in the home. And also we have 2 needed family, very needed, vulnerable families. We will visit also in the home too. We take with us a heater, gas heater for them, as a gift from you. Then we have distribution of food basket. 100 families will benefit from this distribution.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, it just kind of snapped.
So guys, this is a Masjid Al-Hariri. Cool, so we're just getting some things ready, planning the day.
Okay, so you can sit, please.
What's going on guys? So we've just finished at the office getting some sort of shots of people coming in to sign their names, isn't it? For the charity stuff.
Yes. People in families in need. We were there for it.
But yeah guys, so now we're just gonna be heading off to a clinic, get some shots there, and yeah, I think that's it for today.
That's it for today?
I don't know.
Oh, I think we've got
a lot more to go. We shall unveil as the day goes. But for now, we'll see you guys there.
I mean, I kind of like the couch, but you want him to like sit. Oh, it's
I just want like more.
How's it going, Anthony?
It's going good, my friend.
Yeah.
Setting up. Got good lighting. Wonderful subject here. Gonna put the microphone on.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what questions we can ask?
كيفك؟ الحمد لله. شو اسمك؟ عبد المنعم.
كيف عطيني بوسه وعبطيني؟ ايوه
Yes, good.
هيك بتسقع بترجع.
You sit here. And she.
بلد
Hey there, how's it going, man?
It's going, pal. It's going.
Yeah.
Is this my introduction?
So yeah guys, we're just at another house and we're delivering a heater and a food parcel as well. And we're just going to interview the family just for them to discuss how the charities obviously help them as well. And yeah, we're just getting everything set up.
Sit here. Can I have you over here, please?
Alright guys, so this is where is it?
Lamb testicles.
Lamb testicles, yeah. Sorry bro. You got manipulated into it.
I know. As soon as he said, I'm not telling you until you try it. It can't be.
Wait,
good.
was it nice
It's
though?
not good.
No, it wasn't. It just tastes like fat. It's not nice. It's not nasty. The idea of it's nasty, but the taste it doesn't taste bad. I'm being honest.
Fair enough.
Yeah, did it taste bad?
Oh, you had it as well?
Yeah, you had it.
Wait, how was it?
Chewy. Salty.
Yeah, I ain't having it, man. Nah.
It's chicken. Chicken.
I don't know if I can do it, bro. Why are you looking at me like that for?
Bismillah.
Get a thumbnail. Get a thumbnail.
Bismillah.
He's gonna spit it out. Watch him spit it out. Don't spit. Oh.
can't do it, man.
He knows what he's eating.
Yeah, they did. That's why. No, you should have told us when we're leaving on the 19th.
I'm eating it and I'm just thinking like, I know what I'm eating and I just have to like, but nah, that's it, man. Hello, mate.
Oh my god! At least do it like a proper. Hey, I'll show you. Hey, come.
Put it on the tripod.
That's great for the vlog, what you just did.
What? What's going on?
Day today.
We are with the OG Sahel. I made us eat testicles yesterday, but we'll let it slide. Can you introduce me?
Alright, so this is Haydar. We forgot to introduce him yesterday, but you did see him.
Yeah, I'm sure you did.
He is a great creative, man. You should check out his work.
I try. Me and Bilal connected on the Instagram, and we've been besties since. Huh? So it's a cutie. It's a love story.
It's a very good love story.
Very good love story.
Very good. But yeah, guys, that's Haydar, aka Javs Edits. Yeah, we're
link in bios.
Link in bios. We got the Aslan Medias. Not the Aswad Medias, the Aslan Medias.
Hey, I'm here representing Aslan.
Yes, sir. And what's the plan for today then?
Today we are gonna go visit another orphan family. Orphan is probably with his mom. So I didn't know this, but orphan doesn't just mean that you lost both your parents.
Yeah, it could be just one.
It's just it has to be your dad. It can't be your mom.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. If you've lost your mom, you're not an orphan. If you lost your dad, you're an orphan. Or if you lost both, you're an orphan.
Didn't know that.
Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna visit family. We're gonna spend some time there. We're gonna get interviews, B-roll. And then we're gonna go do some distribution of food packages in it's actually in a football stadium.
Oh, is it?
You know that one that we passed, like next to the bay?
Yeah.
It's over there. It's underground.
Ooh.
But we can go in the stadium as well. They said so. We check that out as well.
So you can get some nice hyperlapses, man.
So we're gonna fly the drone. Get some footage with the drone.
Is there? You can get some nice shots for ourselves as well.
Yeah.
Play some football.
Soccer.
Soccer.
But yeah, guys, that's
from
the
America,
plan.
you know how that goes.
And Suhail will make us eat something odd today.
Suhail?
What will you make us eat today? What today? Not testicle. No.
هلا eat
Suhail is my brother. And Haydar is my very good friend.
Very good friend.
And this is my dude, man.
Yeah. My dude from America, bro.
Yes. Let's take a photo.
Thumbnail.
Mbara, yes sir.
This lens is
That's what we just asked. I think it's about.
Be careful.
عصب يا لزق
What have we got here?
FPV.
He's gonna crash it.
What? He's gonna crash it? That would just be atrocious given the circumstances we're flying them under.
Like a flipping army outside.
He's not gonna crash.
He's not?
He's not gonna crash.
Alright then. But yeah, this is the stadium. We're not actually allowed to photograph this or videograph this, but we're here anyway. You know. But yeah, in 1444, Brazil played Real Madrid here. Yeah. 100%. But it looks like a FIFA, like I feel like I'm in a FIFA like ad. But yeah guys, this is a stadium. It's a bit bright. A little you know. Cristiano Ronaldo. Suhail is a big Cristiano Ronaldo fan. He looks like Sylvester Stallone and he drives like Michael Schumacher. Suhail and Mahmoud. Michael Schumacher, driver. You have Mahmoud as well. Yes.
Not Michael Schumacher. Suhail Michael Schumacher.
Huh? No, but I see you guys racing.
No.
اليوم كنت لاحق اليوم انت اللي طاير. انت اليوم شوماخر مش انا اليوم
Only
شوماخر.
100.
I wish we had a football though. Yeah, we have an FPV master in his natural habitat.
FPV masters. Forgotten which way to put the props on.
Relax.
مستر بلال.
Señor Suhail.
شوفي لي اساميهم يا
What's going on, guys? So today we are in a sort of play area, I don't know what you call it. There's a couple of football pitches, tennis courts, playgrounds, and a lot of just activities. Behind me we've got some kids learning to play football or having a training session. And yeah, I guess this is a good way for the kids to just, you know, distract themselves and have fun, I guess. Bringing the community together, community of orphans as well. Like, it's nice to have, it's nice to see them happy and smiling. Because like just a bit of reflection, like when we were going to the houses, like it hit me really deep at how unfair it is that they live the lives they live. You know, like we complain so much about our lives, like it's so, I don't even have the words, like being in those houses within those four walls, and that's all it is really. Like it just makes us think like how lucky we are, you know. And these kids, like, and their parents, like they go through so much, like they go through a lot. They don't have basic things like heat, you know, like. And we complain about our energy bills rising or whatnot. These don't even have it, you know. At least we have the money to fork it out and do it, you know. So we gotta be grateful, like. And you can see like the shukr, the gratitude that they have in their eyes. The first thing they say is shukran ya Rabbi, like thank you, oh Lord, you know, because He's the provider, He's the one that's given them that, and they're so happy with so little. And then there's us, you know. And it's just, I knew I was gonna feel this way, but when you actually see it yourself, like it just hits home. And I want you guys to know that, I want you guys to see that, I want you guys to see what I'm seeing. And it's the entire reason I've vlogged this journey, because I could be just working completely, but I'm not. I want to showcase this to you guys because I want you guys to see the reality of things around the world. Like this is the reality for some people, where they grow up without parents, they grow up without their fathers, you know, they grow up with disabilities, they grow up in a poor home, and that's the life they live, and that's their normal. But they need help, they need support, and that's why we should donate, that's why we should give zakah, that's why we should give sadaqah, because we don't realize how much it impacts. I didn't realize how much it impacted people until I see the shukr that they do, until I see the gratitude they have, until I see how it affects them. And I can't emphasize it enough, you know. Part of being Muslim, a duty of a Muslim, is to give charity, to give sadaqah and zakah, because you're making someone's life better. And if you make someone's life better, why wouldn't Allah make yours better as well, you know? So yeah, it's a bit of an eye-opener for me as well. And hope you guys can see what I see, because it's important, you know. We shouldn't neglect these things at all, and we shouldn't complain. Wallahi, give gratitude to everything you have, everything. You might not have the best car, your mum might not make the best food, your house might be the biggest, but alhamdulillah, you know. And I always say, you can count your problems with your fingertips, but you can never count your blessings, ever. Never. All the time that you have in this world, you will never be able to count your blessings. So say thank you, always. Look to the sky, Ya Rab, thank you, because He's given you more than you know, way more than you know. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can play some football with these kids, because you know me, I like my football. 4 minutes of me just talking to the camera.
That's way too much.
What? I like to talk, man. How you finding it?
What, this?
Yeah, I like it.
I like it.
I like to see the kids happy as well.
Yeah.
Come on.
Hey. Mesh. You wanna play here?
Yes.
Oh, hey.
No.
Ah. Go! This big close up. Oh. Go! Go!
Thank you.
No problem. Oh, my toes full.
Kid's got skills.
He does, he's strong. So beautiful, man.
Like 10 o'clock, 11, noon.
What do you think of the shot, man?
It's pretty sick, man.
You're shooting 105
what
as
I've
well,
been
right?
looking for.
Lebanon, huh?
لبنان صيدا لبنان
صيدا Lebanon. ما شاء الله.
ما شاء الله
Huh? Beautiful.
مسجد الحريري
حريري. مسجد الحريري.
مسجد الحريري